Missing Navy pilot Lieutenant Commander Nishant Singh's witty request for leave for his wedding has now gone viral. Even as search continues for the young pilot who has been missing ever since his MiG-29K fighter jet crashed into the Arabian Sea off Goa coast on Thursday. Here's more.
As the Navy continues to search the vast expanse of the Arabian Sea for newly wedded Lieutenant Commodore Nishant Singh, his witty wedding leave request has gone viral. In his letter to his commanding officer, Singh sought the permission to bite the bullet of matrimony. Using air combat jargon to describe his courtship, he wrote, "On successful completion of 3 years of extensive survivability and compatibility testing trials, his fiancée has agreed to marry him." Lieutenant Commodore Nishant Singh ended his leave request to his senior by signing off, "Used to yours, but now hers faithfully." The letter is dated May 9th. Lieutenant Commodore Nishant Singh was the flight instructor of MiG-29K jet, which crashed on a routine operational flight of the aircraft carrier INS Vikramaditya. Singh, a qualified flight instructor and a highly experienced pilot, is missing since Thursday evening. The trainee pilot who was flying with him was successfully rescued by helicopters shortly after the crash. According to the reports, the fighter made an uncontrolled descent into the sea. It's not known if the second pilot managed to eject.
इंडियन नेवी ने जांच कमेटी बिठा दी है। अब वो ही इसके निर्णय पे पहुंचेंगे हुआ क्या है। अभी तो पहला तो टास्क जो नेवी कर रही है इस वक्त जो प्राइम इंपॉर्टेंस है कि दूसरे पायलट जो कि कमांडर निशांत है उनको ढूंढना है, कहाँ है वो।
Helicopters and ships are scanning the surface of the sea in the hope that the young pilot has survived. If he did manage to eject, Singh's flight suit has flotation device as well as a personal emergency locator beacon. It's the fourth MiG-29K fighter that India has lost in the last 2 years. With Manjeet Negi, Bureau Report, India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.